In fact, I'm placing it on. Kindly have a look at note sheet number 16 and Malad. (16) N.
16
N.
N.
Malad. 16 note sheet. 16. Note sheet 16.
Ah.
Note sheet 18/6/2012. There is a note of FA that bills submitted. So and so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 documents are submitted. Bills. In the middle portion, Lordship.
This note?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the second note, Lord.
Tourism Department.
One.
Okay. Department is requested to furnish the following copies of the
bills
to confirm whether return the original DVD of so and so, fund position, formal proposal to account sanction.
Now I am indicating only the bill serial number 1. Then kindly come to 18 envelope. 18 and there is a note dated. Signature is at the end of the note 2011-2012.
The second note.
Second note.
Under Secretary T. Kindly be seen.
It was placed. And
FA is view. Kindly be in this because we have returned to DT Assam. This firm broadcaster has not preserved the video clipping, but the bills have been duly certified by the concerned channels.
Certified. Authenticated bills, certified bills, not the original one.
That original may have been also certified. But it is not there. You have not disputed.
Then Malad, kindly see note 24 and Malad 21/12/12.
Then next.
24 note sheet 24. 21/12/12.
21/12.
21/12.
Which part?
It's a long note, Malad.
Okay, we'll go through it.
Middle portion. What's the end of no?
Then here also nothing serious.
The bills have been submitted, the authenticated. They said the originals are not there.
Therefore, on receipt of the necessary bills, the claimed outstanding dues to the firm amounting to rupees 63,09,000 can be cleared from the remaining amount of TV commercial campaign of rupees so and so. The amount to be left with the DT Assam, for which some viable tourism program can be taken up. So and so. Then next.
Then 30 envelope 28/1/2013. The notice.
30.
30 and at the bottom.
Whose note is this? Okay, then,
Immediately thereafter, on 4 to, after that, 4 to 2013, the draft was approved, and they want at the notice, in the middle, next page, middle, ultimately this 5 to in the next note sheet page, 5 to 2013 order came. That is available in 142, serial number 142 in the sheets. That is the approval order. Well, I'm just indicating that after 28/1/2013 till 4/2/2013, well, this aspect that without the original we are approving, that was perhaps not there. At serial number 142 of the pages, Lordship will find the draft. It was corrected and it was issued.
uh,
142 at the top right corner.
just,
Top right corner numbers are there.
so
Well,
let us presume that this note of yours on 28/1/2013 also indicates that the bills are not there. Original bills are not there.
well, prior to that, there is another letter. Kindly come to serial number 154.
154.
154. 4/6/2012. Corresponding notice also there, 4/6/2012.
154. Okay.
Towards the end, it's a kindly where is the letter? At the starting also.
It says around 2 crores odd have been paid.
Yes.
Bills of around 51,79,000 is pending. And bills of around 16,49,265 is receivable. Right?
Gotcha.
He has not submitted. Now, if you come to page 210, that is of May 2013. It's from the director.
From the director.
Nothing is here.
After perusal of the bills, he has observed that particular.
No. This communication of the director
Lordship
is subsequent. It's of May 2013. Here, para 6, it says government has approved the payment of third and final installment to the firm, white letter dated 5/2/2013.
Okay.
While checking the paper, for some anomalies have been detected as noticed and as stated below. The first one is 6 commercials were
That
done.
Lordship has already.
Formal work order could not be located in file. As such, it has become difficult to make final payment.
No, I get it.
No record of deposit of any security money against work available. No record of deposit of earnest money for work is available. Letter of acceptance given by firm to director is not available. The firm has issued legal notice to clear the payment, a copy of which is enclosed herewith. I therefore request you to, where is the question of the bills not being there?
But whether I'm indicating whether the original bill, question of original bill, it was in the mind of the authority before.
No, it cannot be, because he has referred the matter back to the secretary, saying that on checking, I have found these anomalies. This was the first anomaly he ought to have found out.
But Lordship has gone through the 4/6/12 letter.
Oh,
154.
154, fine. 154 only says, "154 says around 16 lakhs something is pending."
First parameter on scrutiny, they said.
So the same director, same person who has written this 4/5/2012, when he says that he also refers to the legal notice. Legal notice is available here at page 159. And the claim here is 63,9,595. Right? Now, if that be the position, this matter is not highlighted.
Kindly have a look at note sheet of 49N.
49.
And although this is after the later date 5/2/2013. Otherwise, prior to 5/2/2013, Honorable Court's query was that whether prior to 5/2/2013 there was something or not. Those are I have already indicated. This
49.
is 44N.
Forty-nine.
44, madam.
44.
44. Note sheet.
Okay. This is a note dated 3/12.
Note sheet. This is after the letter, or government letter.
Hmm.
44 is after the government letter.
This is with regard to some. Firm has, what was the total amount involved? 3 crores 22 lakhs 66,688. Right?
Yes.
The firm has submitted bills for 3 crores 22,66,688. Now you see here, as stated, bills regarding final payment of rupees so and so were examined and found some bills do not have authentic signature. The firm has issued a legal notice. Balance is kept in so and so, so and so. Where is that question that duplicate bills were there? You are questioning the authenticity of these signatures. There is two parties here. One Dolphin is also here. An app name, it comes up in intervals. So, Mr. Nath, that plea that you are taking, none of your authorities have stated that.
But what I could gather from their instruction that
No, they might have misplaced it. They might have done something. You're not disputing that amount at any price. You
Amount,
say now
the
on instructions that see the original bills are not there. This
original
absence of original bill is nowhere. Only in that page 154 communication says that he has not submitted. But
that is
subsequently,
what we said.
Subsequently, this note 31/12/2013 belies that contention.
Because it didn't indicate about the bills and all.
No, 154 says he has
About
not
bills.
submitted around 16 lakhs. Fine. If that was the position, that would have been the end of the matter. But this letter, note at page 44, does not say so.
Well,
Every bill is with the authorities.
no, some
And
bills,
Mr. Nath, we'll also have to consider the agreement. If he had submitted a duplicate bill, that was not required to be processed.
not required to that.
If you have processed, the presumption
Yes,
would
yes.
be that it was in terms of para 12
Yes.
of
I
the
have-
agreement.
I have checked the entire record.
Hmm.
In fact, what they are indicating now, that is what Malad I would like to submit. They are indicating that the notes at this serial, the note sheet number 18, 16, some authenticated bills are there. Means originals were not there. They have certified those bills.
See,
And the-
that
and the-
authentication, question of authentication, when you come down to the letter, anomalies detected in the processing, which is at page 210 of the director.
Subsequent.
Subsequent, it's
Hmm.
not there.
It is not
No
there.
reference to the bills.
In fact, in the instructions also they have said that duplicate copies are with us. We
This
have the bills, but not
duplicate,
the original.
see,
Lordship.
if it was duplicate was with you, then how can you say that 16 lakhs bills have not been submitted?
That's right.
That is one, and why they have processed as per clause 12.
Sure.
That is one. I
think-
have not.
I think he has suffered enough.
I have no. I could not find anything on that.
Mm.
Otherwise, they said that authenticated bills are not there, and they are referring to the original bills only as saying that authenticated bills. But they at the same breath, Malad, they said that certified copies are with us. They have given the authenticated copies. And
No,
and the,
we don't know what has happened. We'll only
Yes,
go
yes.
by what is revealed from the records.
yes, Malad.
Huh.
Malad.
So the revelation from the records is you don't dispute 63,95,596.
Malad, after the note dated 28/1/2013 at 30, note sheet number 30,
Hmm.
Malad, in fact, I did not find anything out. Immediately on the next page, the draft has been approved, a letter has been issued.
Hmm.
Because it 28/1/2013, there is some, Malad, in fact, it has
Hmm.
observed something. But the subsequent page, Malad, in between what has happened, there is nothing.
So everything is clear.
They have issued the letter.
Hmm.
The 5th of February 2013 letter that has been drafted and it has been issued. But the note which was indicated on 28/1/2013,
That is not taken care of.
that is not taken care of.
It was done by whom? 28-1, it's to the superintendent.
It was placed to the government, Malad. It was placed with the government.
No, this is to the superintendent. This notice to the superintendent. SUPDT.
Lordship.
By the, who has given this note? M.
Palak.
Modified draft put up at serial number 142.
142 has 2 pages. Some handwritten draft correction is there.
So the government okay. So the same file moved to the government also.
This is the file, Malad.
Hmm.
In fact, these are the notes to the joint deputy secretary and the government approval and all these things are there only. Malad. It was placed before the secretary also. The departmental secretary has done. Agreement. Agreement.
Here, the director's efficiency is being questioned. Mr. Nutt, note at page 27, cleared his bills.
Gotcha. I've seen.
A, B. The principal secretary, minister, it was put up to the minister. The minister says, as per hearsay, A approved. So, balance, what is there?
But there is no indication, in fact, in the file. Although the originals are not there, authenticated bills are, those, there is no indication that what will happen to that or not. As Lordship has indicated, Lordship has perhaps.
Even in that note, which has been put up by the secretary to the principal secretary, many things have been taken there, but this is not there.
No. Concerning dispute resolution violation.
The note of the, I think this is the 28th one is the note of the secretary.
Next.
Okay. Literally, that note of the secretary, approval by the minister of A, clears the bills. And in absence of any concrete material and the letter of May 2013 of the director, how can we come to a conclusion today that the originals were not there, more particularly in view of clause 12?
Clause 12 is there, madam.
Okay. Just go through it myself once.
Gotcha.
Mr. D. Nath, learned senior government advocate, in terms of the directions passed, in terms of the deliberations, queries raised by this court, in terms of the queries raised by this court on the last date of hearing, has placed the original records pertaining to the processing of the bills of the petitioner hearing. Mr. D. Nath has referred to certain notes in the file wherein it was either stated, it was either noted that the bills did not have authentic signature. it was noted that the bills did not have the authentic signature. Mr. Nath has fairly submitted that the contention presently raised by the respondent authorities that the petitioner had not submitted the original copies of the bills for the amount now pending payment is not categorically borne out from the notes. However, he submits that a perusal of the notes incorporated in the note sheet during the processing of the matter would indicate that the bills as required to be submitted in the matter in all probability were not submitted by the petitioner firm. Also, Mr. Nath, by referring, has fairly submitted that the matter on being placed before the government, the Secretary Tourism, via his note dated 10/2/20, had proposed for release of the pending dues of the petitioner from the funds available in the directorate. The said note was approved by the departmental minister, via note dated 21/1/2013. Full stop. Mr. Nath has also referred to a communication dated page 140, 154, dated 4/5/2012, wherein it is indicated that the bill, that bills amounting to 1649265.67 are yet to be received from the firm. Also, in the above view of the matter, Mr. Nath has submitted that this court, on a consideration of the materials available in the records would proceed to finally consider the issue arising in the present proceedings. Also, Mr. A. Bhuyan, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that he reiterates his arguments that were made on the last.
May I point out, my lord? There has been a note in the records, when the records were produced, my lord, that I have noted down and I have quoted it.
What is the date?
Yes. That shall says, my lord. Yes. With regard.
What I've
to
recorded, it's fine for you.
6 and 12, my lord. And
6, 10?
12, that's been, there is a decision taken by the authority itself. That 6 will be telecasted for the first 4 months, and this is there. And apart
That
from
is not disputed by
yes.
Mr. Nath. 6, 10, 12.
Yes, my lord. And another note, my lord, which makes it, my lord, absolutely clear in the note itself, my lord. Yes.
Where is that page? 6, 10?
Yes, sir. Affidavit comes last affidavit. We can reply. Flag.
36. Okay.
Yes.
Should be here.
I have quoted that, my lord. that is at page 29. There is an order in the note sheet dated 21/3/2012. That is page 162. I have
Of the
quoted
file,
162
of the file.
of the file, my lord, in the note sheet, my lord.
What's,
FAO remark on 21/3/2012.
there are 4 files. In fact,
I quote. I have quoted this. FAO 21/3/2012. In this regard, it may be stated that as per the agreement signed by Group AM, the first installment 20% already paid. Aforesaid firm also successfully completed the work as per agreement within 4 months, commencing from September 2011 to December 2011, and submitted necessary bills along with telecast certificates and amount spent accordingly. The name of the channels,
Where is this note, Mr.?
duration of telecast, time, etc. meant specially in every telecast certificates. That's been there.
No, no, where is that note? Which file?
Yes.
Can you just tell me the date of the
21/3/2012 remark.
You can have this also. If only.
21/3?
So that will lay to rest everything.
Absolutely, my lord. Another, my lord, I am at page 161 of my affidavit in reply.
Hmm.
With regard to 612, my lord, that's been there. I am
Page
reading
100 and
161, my lord. With
your
regard-
affidavit in reply.
Yes. The
Just-
paragraph of the additional affidavit answering even specific category states that the statement are not based on record and is contrary to
This is an affidavit in reply dated
flag G, my lord.
flag G.
Yes.
Flag G to go to sin.
The file on 3/2/2016, my lord.
Page 150.
61, paragraph 7, my lord. The plea taken by the respondent that the petitioner submitted bills of. group
Just a
and-
moment, Mr. Anand.
Yeah.
You're fast. I'm not that fast.
I'm sorry.
Ah.
I'm sorry.
Page.
161. Paragraph 7.
Hmm.
I have categorically stated with regard to this, my lord. The plea taken with regard to the statement in paragraph 5 of the additional affidavit, the answer in a specific category states that these statements are not based on record and is contrary to records. The plea taken by the respondent that the petitioner submitted bills of Group M Media Private Limited along with an invoice of respective channel does not tally with each other is specifically and categorically denied by the answer. Further, the answer specifically stated specifically denies the statement that the bills does not carry the seal of the answering petitioner states that these are the statements are contrary to the answering petition and further states that note sheets clearly reflect an order dated 21/12/2000 wherein it reflects the decision and about the release of the payment of the petitioner.
Got it.
The aforesaid note sheet refers to page 11C and 119C. Further, later number so and so 27 and 2012 written by the
Got it,
director so and
Mr.
so.
Anand. I'm
Their
got-
note sheet.
Where have you quoted that notes?
Note in 162 page.
160.
Yes. FAO remark, my lord, 21/3/2012.
Of the same affidavit.
Yes. And everything has been quoted from the note, my lord. I have written down and thereafter I filed this affidavit. Telecast certificate,
162, that second paragraph.
yes.
FAO remark to
Everything has been clear.
21/3 to 21/3. Okay. Well,
File number DTPUB 17 part 1 2004.
this is the file.
There is
Yes.
that note dated
This
21/3/2012.
is the file. Did it. Did it.
It doesn't talk about the original or duplicate merger. At first point of time, everything has been found out. Now the director gets changed, my lord, and a new director comes.
No, he also in that letter at
Yes.
page 210, he does not say anything about the
Absolutely,
bills.
absolutely.
This is a note put up to the FAO.
Oh.
Absolutely, my lord.
This is not the note of the FAO.
No,
How-
FAO, it's been marked as FAO, my lord. That's
It-
why I have
it's-
quoted it
it's-
that way.
it's-
FAO
it's-
21/3, yes.
A
How
note
note is
to
in
the
the-
You have
FAO.
to.
Next page. House note is.
And one more thing, my lord, I may point out, my lord, page, document
that
number
is-
118C, my lord, will kindly see.
It is regarding 1,78 lakhs.
1 to 78 lakhs.
My lord will kindly see document number 118C. That plea they is taking is with regard to 6 commercial and 12 commercial has been clear. I have written in page 161, my lord, that paragraph, first paragraph, third line. Furthermore, there is a document available on record which shows the 6 TV commercials are programmed for first 4 months of the company, and the aforesaid letter was written by none other than Janu Borua himself, and that has been marked as document number 118C. The first 4 months is for 6 commercials only. One one eight C, my lord, that speaks in volume, my lord. That's 6 commercials, my lord. That was the first plea. They are changing post, my lord. Telecast certificate not giving.
That we are beyond now. That is gone.
Gone now, my lord. I'm deeply obliged.
Where is my note?
Yes, I have prepared a note, my lord.
In my submission, I would humbly pray, one thing Lordship may kindly record that in the stand taken in the affidavit is that for processing the bill, even though government has approved, the originals are required. They don't have the original. That is
No,
that is the
no,
difficult
Mr.
we are
Nath,
fighting.
Mr. Nath,
That may
we
record,
accept
Lordship.
that. We will record that.
Clause 12 is there. I
But
do
the
agree.
question is, if the processing is to be made, it
Original-
has to be made in terms of the agreement. And this note of the that whoever has put up that note to the FAO says everything is in file.
Absolutely.
So
that is there. That is there. So clause 12 is there, which negates the which negates
everything,
my-
because you could not have, because see, you have quantified the amount, 69 lakhs, and then process the file for approval.
Approved.
And the government says, why is he putting the file to me? It need not be put, money is with you, pay him.
My
Absolutely.
submission will be negative. Ultimately, clause 12 is there, but that is the stand. And that is why they are
That,
finding it
Mr.
difficult.
Mr.
That
Nath,
you may kindly take care.
we will record from your
Right.
affidavit, whatever is there.
Yes.
And then we will
Yes.
go back to the records, and what we have noted here today,
Not,
that we will.
not.
Right.
Because
And you have submitted fairly, we think.
because
So there's no-
because the bills which are not available with us, those bills are given by the TV channels to Group M Media. Group M Media has given those bills to us. Those are Xerox copies, duplicate copies.
Now it's beyond, you will have to.
I'm just indicating what they have said. So that plea will not ultimately it will sustain. Clause 12 is there. I know.
But okay, fine. Somewhere that was the plea taken down, the reason
Logic.
for denying to him.
Logic.
But once you have processed, you have come to an amount, and that page 27A,
Approval and all these things are there. Logic.
how can the government approve
Oh.
if it is not in accordance with the
Section, clause 12.
clause 12? This is not a case.
Yes, yes.
This is not a situation wherein the work will be done. Prior approval that this work may require 2 crores of rupees, kindly give a sanction. Okay. Therein, you can put in the stipulation, original bill, everything. Here, you have cleared certain part. Now the balance, you are putting up for required payment. If the balance is not in conformity with 12, how could you have put up the bills at the first instance?
That's good.
At a short order.
There are some things we have inherited. Now we are just making submission with your lordship.
Can't help it.
Lordship. And the thing is that what I have seen, the condition they find that the original bills without it can be clause 12 is there. Processing they have done, approval is there, but now it is not.
Somebody somewhere has,
May have,
and
may-
Mr. Nath,
may have.
as far as this jurisdiction is concerned, we'll take our hands off if we find there is a dispute with regard to the amount claim. Right? The documents that are there on record, even the note sheets, do not show any dispute with regard to the amount claimed. With regard to the clerical work bills, this, that we will not go into. More particularly in this case, because of the note sheets, communications which are there, which says that the clerical part is also, but for a writ court to come in, as far as I understand, is that there should not be a dispute with regard to the amount. Here there is no dispute with regard to the amount.
Absolutely.
Even in absence of that, say, the original bills are not there. Let's for a minute take that. You are not disputing that he is entitled to 69 lakhs.
Absolutely.
In your note sheets, you are not disputing. Even the approval that was received from the minister, the notes put up, therein also 1 crore is there, pay 69 lakhs.
Whatever has been placed, it has been approved.
Approved. So,
Public.
what I do is I'll get a chance. On Sunday, I'll go through the whole
Fine.
files and everything.
Much.
We'll have the matter listed on Tuesday. Huh? But again, you will be troubled after the.
Much.
If I am through with it, I'll pass the orders on
Malak.
that. If
But
some
the-
clarification is required, I'll come back to you.
The office records, shall I place before Lordship?
You can.
No, I'll submit the record now.
You can. You just do one thing. The file numbers you are giving me, just write down the file numbers and give it to him.
Yes, sir. 2 files. Huh?
Huh?
No,
2 files would be there.
I have 5 files.
No. Relevant files. Why should I carry? The files as files, file number so and so as produced by Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senior Government Advocate, is kept along with the records of the matter. Is kept along with the is taken on record. Mr. A. Bhuiyan has also submitted a written note
No.
on behalf of the petitioners in the matter, which is also taken on record. Raised it to list this matters again on Tuesday. Tuesday date ki hobo? 12/11/2024. Aram se paisa kiba thaki goise? Thaki goise jodi hey
Part 2, part 1 negative.
abhi nalage line katige. Mr. A. Bhuiyan is present bole kole. That is always aru jodi thaki jay kiba recording utsaba bhul hobo na lage.
They play online. Happy chat puja.
You go early, it will be jam.
Well,